You know it's going to be a good day when all these are Shop Disney boxes, and I am going to share with you what's in them. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today because I have 3 huge Shop Disney boxes, which I just showed you at the beginning of this video. And they've been kind of sitting in my garage because I've been waiting for all of them to get here so I could do a little haul slash unboxing with you guys. I have some early Christmas gifts in here. I have stuff, of course, for myself, for my kids, for my house, and I'm just so glad that I can share that with you guys today. So if you're new to my channel, basically I do a ton of unboxings. I do a lot of home fragrance type of stuff, but the main thing about me is I am a huge, beyond huge Disney fan. I'm on the West Coast, so my home park is Disneyland. This year, or this coming year, we are going to be going to Walt Disney World for the very first time as a family, but I really want to get some more Disney content on my channel because it's one things that really brings me a lot of joy, and I love sharing things that really make me happy with my YouTube channel. So even though I'm not able to visit Disneyland, I'm a Disney Vacation Club member, and my home resort is actually the villas at Disney's California. So I haven't been able to really experience that stuff in 2020, obviously, but the Shop Disney boxes will give me a little bit of that spark. So I hope that you will stick around and join me. And if you like what you see here today, would you mind clicking that red subscribe button before you go and giving this video a thumbs up? And yeah, let's get right into it. I actually got this stuff, I started ordering it about a week and a half ago, and I think I actually ordered 2 of something, so I might have to gift it out to somebody, but I actually don't even remember what's in here. So it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. So everything bought here, I actually got for 30% off for being a Disney Vacation Club member. And I also got some free shipping on this. So I actually saved quite a bit of money shopping. So if you're a Disney Vacation Club member, make sure you use your code and to get the free shipping. Okay, so you can see in here, it looks like this is a Christmas decoration. I decided I wanted to make one of my end tables in my front living room Disney themed. Oh, I think that this is actually going to be going up on my wall in the living room, but this is I just thought that this was really cute. This is a light up sign, and it says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." So cute, and it lights up. Let's see, it says, "Try me." Can you guys see it? Oh, I do. Let me see if I can put you guys where it's not having such a bright light. Right. Let's try this. There you go. You can see it. This is going to be so cute. So like I said, this is going to go up in probably my living room area somewhere. I just thought that it was super fun and cute. And basically when it's Christmas time, my house throws up Christmas. So I thought that this would be a perfect addition to my Christmas mess. So that's the first item. Okay, let's see what's next. I'm just going to be grabbing things without looking, just so there's no rhyme or reason of what I'm going to show you guys. Okay, next is a shirt that I got for my 8-year-old daughter, and this was, I believe this was on sale, so that's why I bought it. It says an American Original, Minnie Mouse since 1928. Very cute. I like the red, white, and blue, and nothing on the back, but it's a little bit, she might have to wear a little bit of a tank top underneath because it's a bit thin and see-through, but I think that this is really cute. I got this in a 7/8. She's usually right in between a 7 and 8, so hopefully she'll be able to wear this when the weather starts warming up again. Okay, this next item is actually going to be a Christmas gift for my youngest, and it is this super sparkly, I think they call this a varsity jacket, but this is a frozen, little sparkly frozen jacket. I got it in the size 5'6" because she's between a 5 and a 6, and it looks like it's going to fit her really, really well. But this is going to be her Christmas gift. I hope she doesn't come in here while I'm recording to see this, but how cute is this? Look at how, oh my gosh, it's like Liberace in here. How cute. It feels like it's going to be pretty warm. Inside is this really just more comfortable type of material. I believe it's That's satin, but you know what I mean. Polyester, I don't know what that is. But that is that, and it looks like it retails for $36.99. The tag is actually still on this thing, but I believe I got this, not only did I get it for 30% off, I think this was on sale too. So yeah, this frozen jacket will be a perfect addition to my little princess. Okay, I know what this next item is. This is, look at this holiday tumbler that I bought for myself. I love travel mugs because a lot of the times I don't get to finish my coffee in the morning before I gotta take my kids to school. This is ceramic. Let's see if it doesn't look like it's dishwasher safe. This is $17.99, which was actually a pretty great deal considering how much their mugs usually are. And this is a much larger tumbler. You can see the lid here. Let me see if I can figure, so it just slides open and close here. Let me see if I can, go in there. You could see there's nothing inside. Sometimes they do little designs in there, but I think that this is so cute. You have the Fab Five in here. Did they leave out Minnie or Daisy? No, they didn't. They usually leave out Daisy a lot of the time. So Daisy's in there, Pluto's in there. There's even, look at these cute little Chippendales. So cute, so cute. I can't wait. I'm gonna start using this now. It's November 2nd. I have free reign to start rocking the Christmas stuff. I am a Thanksgiving fan, but it's 2020 and I'm embracing the Christmas because we all need a little Christmas, especially because Election Day is tomorrow as of the time that I'm recording this and probably the day that it's gonna go up. So, by the way, if you haven't voted yet, make sure you do that. That's just my PSA right there. I did early voting, and regardless of what happens, I just feel good after I vote. Does anybody else? Sometimes I don't feel very good on election day, but hopefully that'll be different. Okay, so it looks like this is an ornament I got. I did get a lot of Christmas stuff. And I just thought this was really cute. It's just the little, they have these little Starbucks ornaments, which are cute. So it looks like just like a Starbucks cup, but it has a Disney castle on it. And I just thought that this was really cute. It says there, Disneyland Park. How cute. So let's see if it gives a price on this. This is $14.99. I don't know if this is on sale or not. I can't remember, but this is super cute. It's a ceramic, so it is fragile. So just be careful when you get it. But I usually get a couple Disney ornaments every year. Pretty soon, all my other ornaments are gonna go out the window and it's just gonna be a Disney tree, but is there something wrong with that? I don't think so. Okay, here's another just small Christmas gift for my youngest. She is super into mermaids, so I got her this Disney Princess Ariel wand. Let's see, does it light up? I think it's supposed to. It has, oh, that's right. You have to take out this. Oh, it does. Look how you can see that the bubbles light up. Does it turn off? Oh, it does turn off. Perfect. She's gonna love this. Like I said, she's super into mermaids, and this was on sale too. Normally retails for $14.95. I think I got this for like 10 bucks. So this was a really nice, inexpensive gift that will make my little girl happy. Okay, the last item in this first box, and yes, this is just one box. I have 2 more to go through, so. Ooh, another mug. And I would say that this is a gift, but all the mugs are for me. And this is from the Rainbow Collection. And I am obsessed with this mug. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's Sleeping Beauty's castle. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And then look, my happy place. It really is. It's been, I know that this sounds like a first world problem, and it is, but I can't tell you how hard it's been not to be able to visit the one place that makes me the happiest other than my kids. We've had to cancel many trips this year, and I know that everyone is going through stuff, but you know, it doesn't negate the fact that these things kind of make me sad. So this cup, oh, and it's red inside, you can see, just makes me so happy. And like I said, this is part of the Disney collection, I mean the Disney Rainbow Collection. And you could just see all, I mean, you got the drinks there, you have Dole Whips, you have ice cream, you have Mickey balloons, I mean, you have bows, you have the Disneyland icon here, which is what I have on my Spirit jersey today. This is just, doesn't this just make you happy? This just makes me smile. Really, really makes me smile. Let's move on to box number 2. Okay, this is something that I think I actually have 2 of them. I accidentally bought 2. I'm not quite sure, but I just have a feeling that I did. And let me look at this. This is a countdown Christmas calendar. So it looks like a gingerbread here, and it has the countdown. How cute. I love this. It retails for $44.99, and other than the 30% off DVC discount that I got, I paid just the regular price. So this wasn't on sale, but I just thought it was so cute. It would be perfect for my end table that I'm making to be dedicated to Disney, and it's a 30-day countdown calendar, so it doesn't look like you can do any more than 30 days, but that's okay. And that is so cute. I think it's ceramic in there. I don't want to open it yet, not until I'm ready to decorate, but it has the gingerbreads. It just looks like a really cute little cat. Oh, I guess they're like gingerbread Mickeys and Minnies. I don't know if you could see that, but I'm living for this. This is really cute. Okay, let's move on. Ooh, I got all my throw blankets. I have 3 throw blankets in here. So this one is for my youngest, who is more of a Frozen fan. And this is a fleece. It looks like this is one of their fleece throws, and it's a Frozen one. So I got her one of these. We have throw blankets on our couch, but we only have 1 each, and I thought maybe getting the kids some so when they're watching TV they can wrap themselves up. We live in northern Nevada where it's pretty cold from right about now until the beginning of June. So, and then I got this for my 8-year-old, and this is just a Disney Princess one. It's pink, and this is also a fleece throw. It looks like these retail for $20, but these 2 were on sale. I want to say they were either $14 or $16. And then this one is not a fleece one. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So my best friend told me about this one, and isn't this beautiful? It's $40, but it was on sale. It is so unbelievably soft. And if you can see here, this is the design. This is called Park Life Disneyland, and it is a 60-inch by 72, and it has everything that is in the parks. So it has all the attractions, all the famous iconic things in there. You can see just by looking at it, you have pirates there. You have, you have from Disney's California Adventure. That's right where Grizzly River Rapids is. You have the castle, you have Small World, you have Mickey's Fun Wheel right here, which I think is actually the Pixar wheel now, but it still shows Mickey. But it had, look at this, it even has the Buzz Lightyear, what is it, Spin Rangers or something like that. They're little targets that they use. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to use this when I'm watching TV tonight. Let's open the last one. So I was right. I did get 2 of these. So I'm actually going to ask my best friend, who's a huge Disney fan like me, if she wants this. If not, I might go ahead and sell it, or I might actually save it for a giveaway when it gets closer to Christmas. So we'll see. I don't want to promise anything, but this is another one of those gingerbread 30-day countdowns. Oh, I guess there's just one more item. Okay, so this is for me also. Is it bad that I bought so many things for myself? These are cute little Minnie Mouse pajama pants. Super cute. These normally retail for $24.99, and I believe I bought them for under $20. And they feel like 100% cotton, are they? It's 76% cotton, but because it's mostly cotton, I sized up. I got a size medium because I feel like it might shrink a little bit, but can never do without some pink cozy pajama pants for the fall and winter time. I'll get a little closer here. They have some florals. It has the old school Minnie Mouse on it, so you can see a better one back here. Look at that. So cute. Well, thank you everybody for joining me today. I really had a great time unboxing everything, and I honestly forgot most of the things that I bought. So it was a nice surprise to see it with you guys. And let me know what you thought about this haul. Anything you have already in your collection, or is there something that you're adding to your Christmas list? Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful fall so far, and I hope that you guys will consider sticking around. Before you guys leave, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, like I asked before, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, I'm hoping to get to 300 subscribers by the end of the year. As of the time of this recording, I have 251, and I know that doesn't seem like that many to go, but like I said in another video, when you're a small channel, it does take a lot longer to get those subscribers. So videos that I have upcoming, I have a Pulse Boutique haul for you because they just had a 30% off their whole entire site sale. So I hauled there, and I have a home fragrance roundup. And also I am a Scentsy consultant, and I am going to be talking about my 1 month being a Scentsy consultant, the good, the bad, the opportunities that I have, and the next goals for myself. So I hope that you will stick around. And I also plan on having a segment, if you were here for the Disney content, I am planning on having a segment of my DVC story, how I became a DVC member, especially being on the West Coast. And I hope if that is something that interests you, please make sure that you stick around and watch those videos. Okay, everybody, I hope that you have a great day, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.